Hi guys, I'm Sonika, an interior designer, and welcome to my channel, Coloraza Architecture and Interior Design. A lot of steps are involved in designing a space. So today I'm going to show you the design process of a living space that I designed. Everything from the concept, the client meeting, the presentations, and how we finally reach the final look from our initial concept. So let's get started. So number one, we first focus on the layout. Now, since this was an interior design project of a flat in a high-rise building, we already got the layout and there was not much to play around it. If it's an architecture project, of course, we create different options after discussing a lot of things with the client. But in this case, it was a simple layout. Then we show reference pictures to our clients, or sometimes the client shows us reference pictures to understand their taste, their likes, their dislikes. In this case, we got a design brief which was different for the wife and the husband, so we make a detailed note of everything. So keeping the taste and the requirement in mind, we prepare mood boards. So in this case, looking at the design brief, we created two options. The first option was created keeping the wife's taste in mind, which was more elegant, contemporary and luxurious. And the second option we created keeping the husband's choice in mind, which was more colorful, vibrant and modern. Then we place all the details in 3D to conceptualize the entire design. This includes the floor, the walls, the details, everything that we are planning to propose to the client. Then we take out 3D renders for a more realistic visualization of the space. In this case, we prepared two options. Usually we give one option to the client and give up to 2 iterations if any changes are needed. After that, it is all chargeable. In this case, the first option was finalized as it is. Next, we make the drawings and list of all the materials that need to be procured, ordered, customized. So we make details as far as a cushion cover also, so that when we are going to purchase these materials, there is no confusion in buying what you need to buy. We also give needful site visits to check the progress of work at site. And then finally, everything comes together and here goes the final look. So this was one of my most favorite living rooms that I've ever designed. Do let me know in the comment section below how you feel about it. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.